from pathogen as well as different types of elements. Good morning to all fellow Toastmaster and especially for respected guests. There is a proposal about fasting through which we can improve our immunity power. I am going to share my experience. Nowadays, most of the people are trying to improve our immunity power due to coronavirus, and they are exploring different types of activity through which somehow we can improve our immunity power. There are various types of fasting. People begin to petrified after hearing word of fasting. Fasting? Oh my God! Fasting. This is hardest and complicated activity in our life. Please try to believe. I am going to state about the fasting that is simple one. Please imagine we do have two dustbin in our kitchen, because first I am going to explain with example. Most of the people are thinking how fasting can be protected through bacteria, viruses and different types of diseases. One dustbin is empty and other dustbin is filled with garbage. Mosquitoes come in our kitchen. Can you believe and guess where mosquitoes will sit in the dustbin? It's obvious. Mosquitoes will sit where mosquitoes will get lots of garbage in dustbin. Same like that, if there are two person, one person eats food lots amount irregularly without digesting, and other person eats food with a proper interval of time. The other person's stomach is clear and empty, so somehow viruses cannot attack to him. But one who eats lots of food and still he does have unwanted foods available in his intestine, so viruses are going to attack them. So I am talking about the fasting. During fasting, our immune system is free from digestion, and our immunity system creates new cells in our body. Our immunity system extracts a stone in a small parts of from our body. It clears different types of toxin from different parts of our body through sweat, urine, stool and so on. So once our stomach would be clear, so immune system would be too strong and no any elements and pathogen are going to attack us. I am going to explain about the fasting. There is one easy fasting, that is 16 hours fasting. Suppose you take dinner at 8 p.m. at the evening. So you don't need to eat anything till 12 o'clock in a day. If you would like to have some fruits, so only you can drink water, coconut water, or juice of vegetables. But please don't try to drink juice of fruits, milk, coffee. Once you will cross to 12 o'clock, that means you have completed 16 hours. So afterwards you can eat some solid foods till 8 p.m. So it depends on you how many days you will continue this 16 hours fasting, 2 days in a week or maybe 1 day in a week. So somehow what will happen, our intestine would be clear, and it is very essential to each and every people to protect from pathogen as well as different types of maladies. So I would like to conclude about the fasting is very essential stuff each and every people have to do and add this activity in our life, so that we can protect easily from any types of maladies and pathogen. Thank you.